Welcome to Ascape Living. Today I want to show you our version of a kid's birthday party. Come on in. For this party, I purposely picked a theme that would work for both girls and boys. That's why my party is Paw Paw fun for cats and dogs. All kids love them. And also a theme that even adults would like. For big parties, I used disposable plates and disposable utensils with wooden utensils and paper straw and paper cup. And here you go, a method to keep the utensils neat and tidy. For a buffet table, elevation is key, so make sure you have a lot of platforms to put all the food high up and low on the table. And skewers are perfect for people to pick out the food they want without getting their hands dirty. Generally, I like to minimize wastage. Therefore, everything on the table is for people and guests to take away. The table, I use the balloons and also cookies and lollipops for kids to take away. So by the end of the party, everything on the table is cleared. The decoration for the party is both suitable for kids and adults. After all, the kids are out busy playing, and it is usually the adults that's enjoying the decor. Centerpieces and the flowers and the decorations are perfect for anyone's home, and it is perfect also for people to bring it home to decorate their home even after the children's party. And don't forget the cake table, because that's where most pictures are taken. So I added some flowers and also the cat that I have prepared for all kids to take away as a party favor. So here you go, some before and after photos for you to see, and a lot of goodies and edible centerpieces in the middle for kids to take away.